Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. As you know, I am Satya. Student, today we will learn math from class 6. Okay, and day is Monday and date is 18th of January 2021. So student, today we will continue our exercise 7a. In our previous lecture we have done till question 7, which was your homework. Now we are starting from 8. Question 8. I am reading question 8 first. Question 8 is, a famous batsman scored a century in 38 overs. If he could keep up the same run rate, how many runs would be scored in 47.5 over? Student, it means a famous batsman, he scored in 38 overs, 1 century. Student, do you know in 1 century is equals to 100 runs. It means he scored 100 runs in 38 overs. And we have to find how many runs he will score in 47.5 over. First I am writing the requirement. Okay, requirement is runs in 47.5 overs. This is our requirement. Okay, we have to find this. And given is, I am writing here, he scored in 38 overs how many runs? 100 runs. Okay, and first student, we will find how many runs he will score in 1 over. Okay, what we will do, student? We will divide, because we are going toward smallest to greater. 38, 100. I am writing here 100 as it is, and then I will divide this 100 by 38. After this, what we have to find? We have to find runs in 47.5 over. Now we have to find runs in 47.5 overs. So I will multiply this. 100 divided by 38 as it is I will write, then I will divide, then I will multiply by 47.5. How can we solve this, student? The easy method. First, as it is I will write this value here, and then I will multiply, I will write multiply as it is here. Then look at here, student. 47, I am replacing this point into fraction. 47.5 I can write, by the replacing of this point I will write here 1, and after the point the digit only one digit is 5, so I will write here 0. We have learned this thing in our previous class. Now very easy. Now I will cancel 10 times 10 and 100 times 1 is okay. Now multiply 475 by 100, so it will be 475 and 38 as it is. Okay, 4750 divided by 38. Student, we will solve this fraction in calculation work column. Greatest value I am placing inside the, and smallest value I am placing outside. Now the table of 38, as you know, 1 times 38 is definitely 38, it will be, and then subtract this, 7 minus 8, we cannot minus this, so we will take carry, definitely 17 minus 8, it will be 9, no reminder here. Now I will copy 5 as it is here. As you know, 38 2 times is 76. After subtracting, the answer will be 5 minus 6, it will be it is impossible. We cannot minus 5 into 6. Then we will take carry. 15 minus 6, it will be 9. Okay. And remaining is 8. Now 8 minus 7. 1 as it is I will write here. Now copy 0. 38 5 times is 190. Completely cancel. So student, we will write. He will score 190 runs in 47.5 over. Okay. Student, note this. This is your answer. Next question, I am reading question 9. If 2/3 of a lawn needs 6 kg of fertilizer, how much fertilizer will the whole lawn need? A lawn, I am making here, drawing a diagram of a lawn. Suppose this is a lawn, okay? The area of 2/3, it means this area, suppose 2/3 and need fertilizer 6 kg. This area need fertilizer 6 kg and we have to find the fertilizer, quantity of a fertilizer for the whole lawn. 2/3 given and we have to find the fertilizer for complete one lawn. Now first I will make the data here starting from solution. As you know, quantity of a lawn is 1. Yes. Okay. And we have to find the 2/3. 2/3. So 2/3 lawn will be 2/3. Note this, okay? And what do you have to find? Fertilizer for a lawn. This is the requirement of a question. Okay? Now what we will do? First, 2/3 lawn need fertilizer. How many? 6 kg. Okay? So a lawn and we have to find for a lawn. Okay? Complete one lawn for. A lawn need fertilizer. It will be definitely we will divide. Okay? So 6 and divided by 2/3. Now student, how can we solve this? This rule, do you know? First I will write 6 as it is and I will change this division sign into multiplication sign. After this I will send this denominator as a place of numerator. It will be 3 and this numerator it will be denominator. So I will write 2 here. Okay? This is the rule of math. Very easy, we can solve easily. I can cancel by any table. Now by the table of 2, 1 times 2 and 3. 3 times 9. Okay, 9 kg. So answer will be what? That a lawn need fertilizer 9 kg. Okay, this is your answer. So now take out your book, countdown 6 of math and open book page 97. Exercise 7a. We have done question 7 till 8 and 9 we have done in our lecture. Now question 10. I am reading. A car can travel 240 km in 3 hours. First part is how long will it take a travel 400 km. First you have to find the time. How long will it means first you will find the time. And second part, what distance will it travel in 7 hours. And in this part you have to find the distance. Student, this is your question 10 is your homework. Student, your homework is exercise 7a, book page 97. Question 10. Part A and B. Both part you will solve in your copy. Okay student, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.